Hi, we're here today with Scott Crosbie. He's the Manager, Office of Asset Management. Scott, we're going to talk about the Holyrood generating plant. It's one of our generating plants on our electricity system on the island of Newfoundland. And what can you tell us about what we do to maintain that plant?
Well, Holyrood is certainly one of the plants, but it's one of the bigger ones. And it's a big piece of our generation, how we serve the island load. We maintain that plant by we have very strong preventive maintenance programs. We have very strong condition inspection programs. In the context of a car, we do the right preventive maintenance activities. We follow up on our control systems, our monitoring systems, our warning lights. As well, as the asset gets older, we do formal condition assessments. And in the case of Holyrood, we've leveraged our own internal expertise from our operations and maintenance folks. We've brought in external experts in doing life extension studies and condition assessments of our assets. So we know our assets, we know the condition they're in, we know what they need to do for the customers, and we turn that into rehabilitation and refurbishment work, which is planned through our long-term asset planning process.
Right now at Holyrood, we're operating with one of the 3 generating units out of service. How are we managing that situation right now, and what's our plan going forward?
Well, the immediate thing that's important is to understand the root causes of the failure at Holyrood. There's no doubt that losing a Holyrood unit has a big impact on our system. So there's a team of technical, operations, engineering, maintenance experts who are out there right now, along with support from external experts and original equipment manufacturers, who are investigating that to get to the very root cause. And whatever we find there, we'll get in and fix. Right? That's what's important right now. In the broader scheme of things, it's important to recognize that even though we've lost Holyrood, and we are in a worst case situation where we're in winter, the island's energy load is the highest. In January, it's the coldest period of the time. We're still, while things are tight, we're still meeting load. And that really speaks to our risk and contingency planning. So we will find what the root cause is, we'll fix that, we'll get the unit back in service as quickly as we can. And at the same time, we will, as we have been doing, talk to our customers and let them know that, look, yes, we can meet the load, but things are tight because we're into our reserve. One of the questions that comes up is how come we don't have more reserve? And the short answer for that is that it's very expensive. And it's like having an extra car parked in your driveway just in case your daily driver breaks down. Most of us can't afford that. And even if we could, we probably wouldn't do it. The same is true for us. Hydro's mandate is least cost reliable power. So we have the right amount of reserve that's cost effective to have, but not too much, because that's our job.
Excellent. Well, thanks very much, Scott, for sharing all that with us.